This is Moxie's litter, and they will be a week old tomorrow. This is a very black and red girl. And they're all very good size. Yep. Another girl. Again, very black and red. Let me sit to the side here. Okay. Girl Moxie. I think that's the boy. That's the boy. Big tank boy. The big puppy. Hey, buddy. He's squirmy. Okay. Girl. Black and red. Okay. They're not even a week old. That's why they're squirmy. Girl. Black and red. She'll be real red when they have kind of that putty color to their hair. They get really red like Romo, who's their daddy. Okay. One more. Girl. She's real pretty too. Oh, and very sleepy. Very red. That's it.